When you compare temple prasadams made in Shiva and Vishnu temples, obviously Vishnu temples have a lot more of prasadams. Shivan temples, while they have temple kitchens, don't have that many prasadams made, with the exception of the Chidambaram Tillai Nataraja temple. There is a fantastic Samba Sadam that is made along with the Chidambaram Gur. Vaanga samikalam.
What makes this prasadam very unique is the addition of a spice powder. For this, some whole black pepper, some cumin seeds, they are dry roasted, and this is then cooled and ground to a coarse powder. Ghee is then heated, and this is then tempered with some mustard seeds, curry leaves. Then some cashew nuts are added until they are golden brown. Cooked rice is then added, and the powder is then added to this and mixed very well. A spoon of ghee is added for extra flavor, and this is typically served with a Chidambaram gostu. Do try this recipe and let me know what you guys think. Cheers, guys.